air conditioning.
Yeah.
With Daredevil 308.
From 308 house.
Yeah, the 308 house. By the way, subscribe to both of us.
Yeah, subscribe to Eric and subscribe to Cookie Crisps. Anyways, I'm letting Cookie Crisp do this one. Build him up in views. I got 10,000 views on one of the videos. He needs something with 10,000. Please get him views. Please. Alright. My dad is coming down with some tools. I'll be right back. I'll get some. Keep recording.
Yeah, we're part this whole thing. Yeah. Funny, ha ha ha. Funny, ha ha. If. Okay.
He's recording. So be quiet.
Damn.
Let's start. Come on.
Right. Pop the back.
Pop the back.
Alright. Oh. That's stiff.
Oh. Show. Come here. Whoa. A screw just broke.
Be careful, this free end can come out on you.
That screw just broke.
There's a lot of copper and brass in there too.
Open.
Yeah, I don't need those.
Help me. I can't get this. I can't get the screw to turn.
Dang.
I can't get the screw to turn.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, because it's so rusty. We need to get some. That one might not come out. We need to get some. What's that shit called? PV glass.
Recording.
I have the PV glass one. We have to go get.
Can you break that out?
I have to get PV glass.
Try to break it open.
Guys, I'm prying something open. I'm prying, I think, the lint trap.
I can use PV glass. Mess with it.
Guys, this might be a challenge to get open. Cut the videos.
Cut!
Finger in there. You don't need that filter.
Alright, cut.
So cut this bolt out. Guys, I'm putting holes in the front. Cut.
Okay, we got closer and closer.
To the inside.
Cut.
Some stuff so we can get the stuff open.
Over. Just broke our screwdriver.
Get it
Ripped apart. Alright. Can you get another size?
It's opening. We're getting the back open.
Let me hold it.
Let me heal this.
Oh!
I gotta get a pry bar.
Oh,
I
God.
get a pry bar.
Wow, that's
Satisfying, but
a
weird.
lot of metal and lint.
We get a crowbar.
A crowbar?
Yeah.
You have a crowbar.
Perfect. What is this? Look at this. What is this?
What is that? That looks like poop.
That's copper. That's worth money right there. That's
Copper? That's a lot of money.
That's copper.
Why don't you sell that?
This is aluminum.
Maybe this could get him some money. Buy this brand? Pretty good brand.
PV
See
Blaster.
if I can find a.
We're definitely sponsored.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Yep. Hey, this, guys, by the way, we used this for 5 years. It helped us out. It was really good.
And so we did this. And so we did that.
Yeah, this is our old man helping us. Our dad. My dad.
Yeah, our old man.
Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, shit. Wow. Wow. What the Okay, we'll do the rest. Guys, what the heck? This is
Imagine
the
we
front-
sell this on eBay and
This
someone
is the
turns it on.
front of the air conditioner. Let me show them. Let me show them that. Guys.
There's a circuit board.
Yeah. Oh.
These things have circuit boards?
Oh wow.
I didn't know that.
Take that circuit board.
Where's
out.
that? Oh, we broke it.
We broke this for one.
Get the crowbar.
There you go. Hold on.
Oh, I just spit all over myself.
Hold on. I'm gonna show them the control board. Guys.
Look.
Look what happened to control board. Show them. Rip the cord on camera. This is turning. Okay. Let me show them.
Dang.
Let me show them the front.
Why
of
do
it.
you zoom so
Don't get my
much?
face
I'm
in there.
not.
Don't get my face in there.
I'm not. Let me show them. Let me show them the front. Bro, this is what happened.
Holes in it.
Oh, this is crazy.
What's up?
Yeah, now you're gonna get a crowbar.
Wow.
Get even more distracting.
This is not over yet.
No, not even close.
Not even close. Take a.
And it kind of pooped a bit.
Yeah.
Had a little accident.
Cut. You see this? You see this? Chuck it.
Show them more. Come on.
It broke.
Show them. Look.
Wait. Watch out.
Guys, watch this.
It's a jackhammer.
Bro, you almost hurt me.
Oops. Don't try, guys. And also a reminder: don't try this at home.
Guys, look at this. Is this what they did to my VHS?
Back up, back up. Go.
Actually, don't do that.
Okay. Wait, Aiden. What if we use itself? Bernardia!
Cords used to help it. Now it's destroying it.
That's echoing. Warning for headphone users. Something came off of it.
Who's that?
Don't try this at home. Whatever you do, don't try this at home.
I'm breaking the power cord.
Don't try this at home.
Babies be like,
Oh my god. Guys, we got tools.
Stop. Stop.
We're using what helped it to destroy it. Okay, guys. We got a small we got a mallet. We got a mallet and like a bigger version of that thing we were using earlier. Oh. He's going for that technique. Ooh. Cut.
guys, look at this.
Our chicken.
Look at this, guys. It's inside.
Good job, Johnny.
Oh, shoot.
Aiden's gonna love that chicken too, boy.
Wow.
Where do you see this chicken we got, Aiden?
Uh-huh.
Better than rotisserie.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Whistleton. By the way,
Don't get me on it.
I'm not.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. Subscribe to Whistleton, by the way. This is the kind of crap he does.
Whistleton Diesel, subscribe to us.
AK-47. We blast it away.
It would be more fun if we
Bitch
just
is
shot
over.
at it.
All right, it's
Oh,
open.
yeah. Imagine we sold it on eBay and someone plugged it in and it worked.
Can I mail it now?
No.
All right.
Now it's for him.
Hey, Dad, can I mail it?
It's open now.
Can Can I mallet?
Come show them all the stuff in there.
All right,
Can
then
you
we can
mallet
mallet.
that? Can you mallet the aluminum?
You want that out?
Yeah, I want
Yeah.
the aluminum out. I want to see everything out. But the only thing I want to see is the only thing I
Oh,
want to
it's a
see.
big fan.
The only thing I want to see left of me is
Fanny's grandpa.
Fanny's great grandpa.
Yeah.
This thing should
Look at this. Look at that engine, bro. Why is it such a large
There's a
engine?
tank. An oil tank.
What the?
The only thing I want to see
is
left
that?
of it is
It
a tiny
goes.
piece.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, the engine.
Look at that fan.
Oh.
It looks like a hamster wheel.
Oh my god.
This is the copper.
Hmm?
This is the good stuff right here.
Yeah, you could take that copper out and sell it and get a lot. Copper's expensive now. There's smoke coming up. Oh shoot.
Oh, watch out, watch out. Freon. We got a leak. We got a leaker.
Guys, that exploded.
We got a leaker. Don't inhale that.
Is it gonna explode?
No. No. You broke the Freon line.
Yeah.
This is why you wear safety.
This is why you don't do it at home.
Unless your parents really want to help you.
She's whistling.
Inhale in your jacket.
She's almost empty.
Guys, this is not safe. Don't do this at home.
Yeah, it's
Don't try
lethal to
this at
breathe
home.
in. What?
Do not. Please don't try this at home.
This is lethal to inhale.
I'm covering my mouth with the mask.
Yeah, same.
It should be gone as
Why are
soon-
why are you going up to it?
Huh?
Why are you going up to it
Oh god.
Get it off.
and inhaling it?
Guys, stand by. We're gonna run away from it for a second. Running away right now from it. That's dangerous to inhale.
Running away.
We'll go back to it in a
Run
second.
to the haunted side of the
Let's
house.
sit here.
Let's sit.
Look at this beautiful house. Cut.
Wait.
Alright, we're coming. Let's go back. I think the Freon's almost gone. Is it still leaking?
Yeah, you're good. It's not doing it like that. She's there. Here. See it right there now.
Is it the Freon?
It's not blowing out like that no more. You just hear it.
What about that? What's that?
That's what pumped it through to make it cold.
So there's stuff in it?
Not no more.
Where will the Freon go?
A bit of core.
Into what?
Yeah, look at that thing. See that little motor in it?
Yeah. Daddy, back up.
It's good.
It's not lethal to inhale it anymore.
Nothing coming out of it. There's hair in here.
I'm joking, I'm joking. I can still smell it though.
Huh?
I can still smell it. It's leaking.
Oh god.
This one's money.
That's worth money?
This is all the ribbons.
And this used to be the air conditioner that was up there and that was
It used to be up there. Up there.
Used to be an air conditioner.
Yeah, it used to be an air conditioner.
Where'd my slammer go?
What?
Where'd my slammer go?
Now it's just metal.
Shut up.
Huh?
Not you.
Timmy.
Oh god. It's an air conditioner, bro.
Used to be an air conditioner.
Guys, this is why you don't buy from whatever brand this was.
This is a great brand. No, this thing worked great. Years.
Yeah, it was pretty good, but whoa! What is it spitting?
Huh?
What is it spitting?
Guys, this is why you don't buy from Frigidaire.
And no, guys, it's a good brand.
This is
When it's
hair.
called Frigidaire.
Guys, it's a good brand.
This is
It's
hair.
just, it's old.
This thing was great.
Yeah, it was great.
It really was.
Mhm.
Nowadays, you can just buy Fanny. Guys, I found a slug.
Show them the slug. That's not part of the video, though. Oh, God.
Whoa!
What was that?
Squirted a little bit at me.
Squirted what? Is Freon flammable?
Yeah.
Is it?
No, but under pressure it can explode.
Well, that's with everything. That's with everything.
I for a second thought it would explode. Yo! Use this.
Wait, put your. Hold on, I want to see that.
These are worth.
There we go.
Yank that straight out of the ground.
Is it done spraying?
Where's that box Grandma brought us? Where's that box Grandma
That's
brought us?
all the air conditioning. Hold on. I'm showing them.
Where's that box?
Oh my God, it's wet. It's all for
Where's
you.
that box Grandma brought?
I don't know. I'm trying to show them. Some resins.
All right, now you ready for an explosion? Okay.
Oh.
I'm kidding.
Okay, okay. Why didn't you?
God.
I wanted to. I was ready for it.
Cut.
Do that. Let me show you.
No, I won't do no more.
Do more. Do more. Dang, he's ripping that. Can I show them? I got a good view of it.
We're good now.
I have a better view.
No, we're good. It's done.
Wait,
We're just standing it up.
no, the only thing I want to see left of it is one tiny piece of plastic. Wait, show them the peeing. Oh God, it's peeing. Yeah, it's peeing, guys. Explode it.
It will in my face.
It's leaking.
Is there a hole?
I don't know, but I'm freezing my ass off.
It went from us trying to do it to you doing it. I thought you had a crowbar you were about to grab.
Yeah, where'd it go? Where's that box that I needed?
Don't know. I think we're gonna end the video here, guys.
And that's how you take one apart without taking the bolt out.
Yep. That's taking the bolts out. Peace.